Hi friends, welcome to Code with Swiggy YouTube channel. Today we going to discuss about JRE option which we are getting when we try to create a Java project using Eclipse. Okay. So before we get into this topic, in this previous video we have discussed why we are getting JRE 17 as default JRE when we try to create a Java project. Okay. Because in eclipse.ini file we have a required Java as Java 17 for this Eclipse software. So that's the reason we are getting Java 17 as default Java or default JRE whenever we try to create a project from Eclipse. Okay, fine. But I showed you in the previous video itself, we have JDK 19 into our machine. Okay, so in this video we are going to see how to configure this Java 19 for our Java projects. Okay, so that's the one which we are going to see in this video. Fine. So before we get into this video, first of all we have to understand what is JRE, right? So JRE means, I think most of you all aware of JRE. If not, no problem, I will explain you. So JRE means Java Runtime Environment. Okay, so the Java runtime environment is called as JRE. Fine. So what is JRE? What is the use of JRE? So this JRE will give you an environment or flexibility to run the Java programs using the .class files. Say for example, you have a project, already it's compiled and it's ready for execution. Then at that time, this Java runtime environment is needed to run your Java programs. Now we will go to Eclipse and we will try to create a new Java project, and we are going to see what is the default Java version which we are getting. Okay, I am having my Eclipse software in desktop, so I am going here. So whenever you get into this Eclipse folder, right, you can able to see a file called eclipse.ini. Already I shown this file in the previous video. Anyway, I will show you now also. So just right click on this file and go to edit with notepad++. Then here, whenever you trying to install this Eclipse software, by default it's taking this just J open JDK hotspot JRE. The version of this Java is 17. Okay, so here they have clearly mentioned that to run this Eclipse software you need a basic requirement of Java is Java 17. So that's the reason by default you are getting Java 17. Okay, I will show you really it's taking this Java when we try to create a project. Okay, fine. Now I am in Eclipse. Okay, just right click in the package explorer. You will get an option like new, then Java project. Click on it. Then you will be landed into create a Java project. So just try to give the project name. So we have explained all those things in the previous video itself. So I am saying Java sample Java JRE. Okay, fine. So previously I told, right, why we are getting Java 17 and all, right. So to confirm that, just click on this configure JRE. So if you want to change the JRE to Java 19, then you have to choose this option, use the default JRE and workspace compiler preferences. Okay, so just go to configure JREs. So by default we have one JRE here. Okay, fine, just double click on it. Okay, see, now I think you can able to see the JRE definition. Okay, from where it's coming. See, we have a desktop Eclipse. Okay, fine. In that Eclipse only we are having this Eclipse. Under inside we have a Eclipse folder. Then there is a plugins folder. In that plugins folder we have this JRE. Fine. This is the path they have specified it here. By default it's coming. So now you go to this plugins. Okay, then the folder name is org eclipse just j org. See, this is the open JDK. If you go inside, can you able to see a JRE, right? So this is the JRE, they are specifying it. Okay, then go to bin. You could see all the files here. Say for example, if you want to Java C, obviously the Java C and Java, all the commands will be available here. See, java c.exe, then where is Java? a little bit. I want to show you the Java also. jar exe, Java cexe, Java exe. So you could see, right? Okay, the Java cexe will be used for compilation, Java will use to run the program. So now we confirmed that by default it's taking JRE 17 from the Eclipse. Okay, fine. Now, but we don't want this. Now I want to configure whatever Java which having in my machine. I want to configure that. Okay, how to configure that? Just click on add. You will get a JRE type, then standard VM. Just keep this standard VM. Click on next. Okay, here you will get a JRE home. Okay, just click on this directory. Now, so obviously we have to go to the place where we have our Java. We all know where we have our Java, right? Just go to C:program files, then you will get a folder Java, then click on Java, then JDK 19. Just click on this folder and select folder, that's all. Okay, you will get a JDK 19 as a JRE home, and JRE name, you can define your name, but I am going to keep with the same name, JDK 19. That is more meaningful. Then just click on finish, that's all. Then if you want to use Java 19, just click on this Java 19 which you added, then apply and close. Fine. See, use default JRE JDK 19. Now it's going to use the JDK 19. Okay, fine. I'm gonna say finish. Now the project is successfully created. If you expand this, now you can able to see what is this Java. It's a JDK 19. So whatever we have in our machine, that JDK is pointed, and we are getting all the packages from the JDK 19. Okay, this project I already created. I have created with Java 17. That's why it's having the library of Java 17. Fine. Now I think it's more clear to you how we are getting the system library. Okay, fine. So in the previous video we discussed about package, right? What is the use of package? Okay, I will explain you that package, why it's needed, what is the real use of the package. Okay, so say for example, if you just click on this Java base which is available in the system library, so from that name itself you can identify, right, this Java IO. So this means here they have a code for Java input and output. So this is what this saying, java.lang. So for the language, what is the basic thing you need? All those things will be available in the Java lang. So if you expand this Java lang, so see, class, okay, so then string, all those things, integer, math, long, okay. So all the basic things, whatever you need for a Java language, everything will be coming under this java.lang. Okay. So from the name itself, you can easily understand what we are having inside of it. Okay. So mainly the package is used to segregate your code and for more code readability. Now I think that's all I want to discuss in this video. So we will see in the next video with what is this perspective, how to change this perspective, and other few things which really needed before we get into Java side. Okay, so most probably in the next video I will try to complete the basic thing which is needed for Java learning. So if you guys have any doubt, please feel free to put the comments, then we will try to check the comments and we will try to revert back to you as soon as possible. Then that's all in this video. So we will see in the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.